Packaged up, 100% certain it's safe at my end. My SD card out, my battery out, my Ulanzi door out, and replaced with the original door, and any modifications I've done to my camera, all out. Next step is to wait for the return. Okay, drop off point. If it fits in, we are good to go. Give it a little crush. Let's get it to go down there. All right. Almost there. Oh man. Oh man, almost there. Woohoo, baby. Now that's how you do it. We'll sit back, relax, and wait for the bug and issue camera to return. Notice there is a new label there from GoPro. Opening up the box. Oh yeah. You notice mine was a wear and tear camera. That's all you get in here. Oh man. This sucker is refurbished. Clear as day. Look how nice and scratched that is. GoPro, you really didn't win me over at all. I'm going to put my glasses on, and I am going to say this will be my last GoPro. You know what? That was just dirt. That dirt came right off. This is how we think when we see a product come from GoPro. The serial number, definitely different. It's a newer model. I don't have to look into it. Man, people just complain about the stupidest things. Much easier button. No life. There we go. It turns on. already with English. My very main interest is about camera information. Firmware 01.06. Oh yeah, baby. I am no longer going to be updating my firmware of a GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is now going to be an extensive test to see how my camera is. I'm very pleased with my warranty return with firmware 1.60. I hope you will never have to use the warranty and wait 3 to 4 full weeks for a camera to return. Many complaints out there about everything. That's how people are. If it doesn't work to your liking, you're going to complain. I hope this video was helpful to somebody, start to finish, of the GoPro camera. Have a great day. Firmware version 1.60. Thanks, GoPro. You never know what a GoPro can do.